This is my Honda Civic Coupe, and today I'm going to replace the cabin air filter because it smells pretty terrible inside, and it hasn't been replaced in all 17 years of its life, so that's probably why it smells so terrible. Anyways, let's get to it. So to do this, we need to open up the glove box here, and pull it down like so. It didn't really seem like the smell was coming from the actual air filter. We thought maybe there was like a dead mouse up in there somewhere or just something else inside of there that the smell was actually coming from. So here we're just taking apart a little bit more of the glove box area just to see what we can find. So in search of a dead mouse, we are going to try to drop this whole thing down by unscrewing a couple of those screws, and then hopefully we can see what's up in there. So we pulled this out and we were looking up way in there and we don't see any like dead mouse or even anything like super nasty. So I'm just gonna throw it all back in and grab the new filter, and then I actually have something else to fix up in this car, so we'll go into that after this. So here's the one we're taking out, and if I can open this box, here is the brand new one. Looks a little bit better.
Looks like it. Don't know what's in it. Boom. Done.
So the next problem to fix is this visor here. It just, it doesn't stay up. So that's very annoying. But we have a replacement right here. So like, there we go. Mid spot. Let's see.
Okay.
Oh, that's better. There we go. Now it works perfectly. The color's not exactly perfect, but I don't really care. It's close enough for me, and it's not hanging down in front of my face. So we got that. We got the air filter. First car repairs in this thing. So the next thing I will probably do is this shift knob here. It's a little falling apart. And this, whatever you call this here, I'll probably replace that as well. I have one that I will probably buy soon. And yeah, I will make a video about that for sure. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more car videos in the future, and I will see you in the next one.